way. Good morning!
Good morning!
It is Saturday and we are heading to Ubud. We've got the bike and we're going to go to Monkey Forest and other places that we don't know yet. Maybe some waterfalls, we've got our swimming stuff. So we're going to put some air in our back tyre because it's flat again. And we've got about an hour and a half's drive. So we're nearly at Monkey Forest in Ubud. It's taken us about an hour and a half to get here. And this road is just very, very busy. So we have a feeling that this is traffic for Monkey Forest. So Monkey Forest will probably be very, very busy as well.
Alright, so just a little over an hour and a half later, fighting through traffic, we've made it. And Katie is pumped. So a bit of background if people don't know, Katie is petrified of monkeys. Like, really scared. But believe it or not, coming to the Monkey Forest was Katie's idea.
I feel like I just have to conquer my fears, you know?
Yeah. Just speaking to a guy there saying how funny it is that we've been to a lot of places with monkeys where you don't have to pay. And Katie is not managed. But now...
I did do Monkey Temple in Kathmandu.
This is true. This is true. So...
Here is where you see all the videos on TikTok of like people getting bitten by the monkey.
Oh really?
Their stuff being stolen.
Oh, I don't want to go in.
Oh no, you can't.
So we got to get a bit more than we got told. It was actually 100,000, so it's a fiver. But hey, what are we going to do?
£5 each.
£5 each. No drinks, no foods. Terima kasih. And we're in.
Don't do that.
There's a cow.
Oh, that's fine.
Now, if anyone's watching the GoPro, I wasn't talking about the people on the bridge.
There is a cow in the
There is
distance.
a cow in the field, yeah. You just can't see it. Okay, we're in. Now, Katie said she's going to pick up 2 monkeys.
And swing them by their tails.
Now, oh, I see one. I see one already.
Oh, heck.
Sorry, I shouldn't be getting you excited. Oh, sorry, I'll say it differently. Oh, I see one. Look.
Oh.
Hey, come on, you got this. Just walk past, look. I'll show you.
No, don't leave me here. Please don't leave me. In fact, hold my hand.
Oh no, it's so sweaty.
No, I don't care. You have to. I'm so scared. I'm doing this for you.
You're doing this for me? Hey, buddy.
Because if we didn't come, you'd say, oh, well,
Look, literally couldn't give 2 flying monkeys. But I think this is probably a good place to come because they're so accustomed to the humans.
little babies in the tree. Little babies in the tree. This is a fun experience. Oh, don't worry, it's a butterfly. Right, guidelines. Let's read it.
Do not look the monkey in the eye. Do not bring any plastic bags, no foods, do not touch. And don't wear nightgowns, boxers, bras, bikinis. Well, I mean, that's pretty obvious.
Oh, heck, there's a monkey tree.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there's loads of monkeys. Oh my god.
Of course there is, it's a monkey temple.
Ryan, can you not...
You want to... Don't be scared. See, actually, you probably want the GoPro because then you could look at them through the camera instead of having to look them in the eye. So it's quite busy, quite a few people. I almost wonder if they captured the monkeys and brought them in and put them in this forest to make the attraction, but I don't know. Oh, we're going into the bat cave now. No, that's a joke. Kay's also scared of bats.
Sweating hard.
It is warm.
I don't know what I'm doing this for. Oh, brilliant. There's actually loads of bats in there.
Is there?
Yeah, look.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, there is. I was only joking. Don't cry, you got this. It's all on camera and it's going up. Oh, it's so funny. I was only joking, I didn't know. Oh, that's brilliant. Now, my dad would always argue he wants to see more of what's going on around us than our face, but I think in this instance, he'd appreciate the exception. Oh, they're scrapping. Look. Do you want to touch?
No, I don't.
No, I'm joking, you can't. Hey, buddy. Literally, they don't care. They're so docile. Like I said, they've probably seen so many people now. Just because this is, I mean, this is like, you've got a matted path. It's not like you're walking through the jungle. You're doing really well though, Katie. Do you want to say your thoughts?
Nothing but fear. I have no thoughts but fear.
But why are you so scared?
Because I don't want rabies. I don't want them to steal my stuff. I have nothing to steal. I've given every single thing I own to Ryan. I don't want them to steal my stuff. I don't want rabies. I don't want them to bite me. I don't want... I wouldn't know how to react because if one jumped me, I wouldn't want to hurt it, so I'd probably just stand still and then
that's the
probably
best thing to do. No, that's the best thing to do. Is just freeze. Angry little bugger. Look at all these people here. What makes you think they're going to go for you? Yeah, angry. You said you want to go.
Oh god, I really don't like it.
It's okay.
There's so many more monkeys than I thought. No, I thought there'd just be a few. There's absolutely hundreds. I really don't like it.
Just, come on, you can power through it. You've got this. It's fine.
Can we get a beer when we leave?
Absolutely.
Oh my god, he's just going for their legs.
Je te l'ai dit, t'as vu que t'en as. T'as vu là, on lance
That went for her for no apparent reason.
We went for a dress and she was wearing a bin bag or something. Let's just walk on past. Just keep walking. But look, absolutely fine. Although,
What?
if you look at the picture of what it says not to wear,
Dress, short dress.
look.
I'm wearing short shorts. What does that mean?
Well, they can't grab that.
Well, I can grab a t-shirt. Should I tuck it in? Oh no, honestly, I'm so scared.
You're doing really good.
This was an absolutely stupid idea.
No,
of
this is
mine.
good. This is good. Because they're not doing anything to you. Yet. Is it good?
Maybe. What?
What?
They're everywhere.
Yeah, of course.
Everywhere I look, I think, oh, that's a good path. No, it's not. Imagine you would just go to the toilet and a monkey would jump in the cubicle. How do you know you're not going to scare them?
I don't.
Oh, okay. I didn't realise it was there. I didn't realise it was there.
So we just walked through the forest conservation project that they've got going on here. For some reason they got these. Do you reckon these are the rowdy males? What's going on here? Sacred monkey forest.
Blind because of snake venom when protecting his group.
Ah,
That's one of them. Another one. Yeah, lost his vision because of snake venom. Another one. Yeah.
So these are all heroes. Oh, poor guys.
So they've been trying. They lost their vision. Oh my god! They lost their vision while trying to save others. So now they're in here basically just to be protected.
Yeah, amazing.
Right, so over here to the right is feeding time.
Feeding time. Look at the baby. Hey, buddy. Oh, we could have gone down the other steps. It's got some hand sanitizer. That's gonna be, yeah, that's gonna be one drunk monkey. Think of what my dad would say.
I know. Always think of that in the back of my head. Your dad being like, "Wow, didn't think Katie would do that."
Yeah, go for it. Now's your chance. Just see where the seam is. Put your butt crack along that. And just naturally, just go. Go. On the seam. Come closer. More.
No, that's not.
They're not both in.
Okay, well that's
Just one more step. Like big step. Like quickly, stand there. A bit more, touch more. Like literally just there. Literally just there. Come on, quick. Just quickly sit there. That's okay. But to be fair, you're meant to be filming anyway.
Oh, I can't. Not unless you want to say goodbye to that girlfriend. I did it. I did what
You
said.
did, good job.
Oh, swinging monkey. Oh, running monkey. Slow and calm.
He's got some sun cream or something. You're fine. What is that? Back to 50. I don't think you should be eating that, pal. It's kind of cool though, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks nice. It's really nice. So nice.
If you stand, I was gonna say, if you stood like on that last step, come up one. That's a bridge. What was that? Oh, coconut. What's down here? Oh. Big old fish. This is the spring temple. What does it say?
It's a special place to perform the purification process of the statues that represent the god and the soul of the people that shared the same faith before praying to other temples, areas in Monkey Forest. And if you want to pray, you can contact them. They can. Look at this little...
So far, all I can really say is that it's very, very hot. And the monkeys, apart from one instance where it tried grabbing someone's dress, they've been fine. They won't pick that up. So now we're just going to walk over this lovely bridge. Go check out the, what is it? You said?
I don't know.
The nursery? No. I don't know. Veterinary office.
Why, I'm really scared. Can
Just-
you not walk off?
Sorry. Just keep walking. Don't slow down. Just normal walk.
I'm going to go in front.
Okay.
Dur. Bunu hemen yakalamalıyım. Bak çabuk.
Stinks of monkey wee.
Just essentially walk through their toilet.
Yeah. Oh wow. Do you want to go up to the, what's it? We just talked about.
Okay. How much more stuff is there to go?
That's it. That's a big one.
Oh, looks manky.
It's probably just fallen in some water, to be fair.
Fallen in.
Oh,
You might want a bath.
he might have wanted a bath, yeah. Right, we'll go up these steps. You're doing really well.
We've already been down there, haven't we?
Yeah.
Is that where we came in, just near there?
Yeah.
Not much longer, right?
Not much longer.
Okay.
So we've done the nature walk part. Nature walk, forest conservation walk. Then you got a little show area, which, sad to say, they probably train monkeys to do some kind of performing acts. But it's a cafe.
Yeah. Croissant will be stolen by a monkey.
Very muggy. Humidity in Bali is very high. Oh, what were the...
Oh, it's not a monkey performance.
No, it's a people performance.
Oh, good.
Actually, my dad was telling me... Oh. Hey, old man. Got another picture next to one?
No, thank you.
You sure?
Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't know you... They could definitely get out if they wanted to.
Maybe they just don't.
Yeah, well, that's they got all the food and stuff here.
Yeah.
It'd be stupid to leave. And there's just little souvenir shops around the back edge. Yeah.
아니 핑크는 그냥 아름다워. 초록색은
Animal clinic's closed anyway.
Oh, it stinks. Oh, sorry. Oh. Kimono. Alright, then we'll head for the exit, shall we?
Yeah.
So, conclusions.
That's the most monkeys I've ever seen in one place. That was a lot.
You
of
sure?
monkeys, yeah.
Nepal, I think, was more.
No, I don't think so. Nepal was only just one area. Just at the temple, then you come down. That's it. This you actually have to walk round. So I think there's more here.
Right.
Also, they seem more, I don't know, not necessarily more interactive, because the ones out in Nepal were thieving little bastards too.
Yeah.
But
Just keep talking.
it's definitely scary. Definitely so scary for me. La la la.
Scary for you, but you did it, and you went next to one. You went next to two, actually.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm glad that we did it,
I'm glad you did it.
but it was scary.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Or Rkbackpacking. I know, I forgot.
What did you think of it?
Yeah, it was good. I mean, there was a lot of monkeys. They were quite playful. It was quite fun. £5 entry. Not bad. If you're only coming to Bali and staying in the city, yeah, I'd say check it out. However, if you're traveling around Southeast Asia, you will see a lot of monkeys. So it's up to you. I mean, it is quite a cool place to come. So I think, yeah, check it out. And then we're just walking out now. That's naughty. Uh-oh. Oh, I went for it.
Yeah, rightly so. Yeah.
What an idiot. Absolute idiot. So a little boy, egged on by his parents, I believe. Little boy and little girl started petting a monkey lying down. Shock horror. The monkey went for him, and I think even nipped the lad. So if he's drawn blood, that kid's going to die with rabies.
People are stupid.
People are stupid.
But like, that's common sense not to touch them, but there's so many, so gotta go back through that gate.
No, that's not bad.
It's actually fine.
Well done. Done. Right, let's go get a beer. Or as they say here, a beer.
So where are we?
So this is a market in Ubud. Ubud. I don't know how to say that.
Just found some random parking. We don't actually know if it's free or not.
Didn't pay though.
Well, we might have to pay on the way out.
There's nothing there.
No. So now we're just walking through the market.
On the hunt for a beer, but this was kind of on the way. I still want to get some sunglasses. But I don't want to pay more than $170 really. I don't want to pay more than $170. You can get beer here.
Oh yeah. So if you've watched the last vlog, you'll see we went to a warung for some chicken satay. Come to another one today in Ubud. And we've got some fried rice, some steamed rice, some pork and vegetables, and 2 bintangs.
And Katie's just going to sit and watch while I eat it all.
Saya mau bayar.
Yes, can I pay please?
It's actually just can I pay?
Ah, Geelong.
So that was 120, which was
£6.
£6.
Good value.
Can I don't go away then?
Oh, I had a water as well.
Water?
Yeah.
126.
126. Don't worry about change. Doing like a see.
So we've had our lunch. We have left the market And we're just walking down the street in Ubud. Let's see how much they are.
6,000.
30p.
Yeah. Any good ones? Salam sorry. Rkbackpacking? Yeah.
Maybe
Yeah.
this one.
That one?
Yeah.
How much do the postcards? 6,000. Just one? That's all. Anything else? No, that's it, thank you. So what's the have you got any plastic? Yeah? Thank you. Very nice to see.
Watch your back.
I'll go in.
Alright, right? This polarized.
Rkbackpacking?
Yang ini mahal 250 polarized. Polarized. This right?
Yeah, so see the fish, yeah. How much?
250.
250.
Non-polarized cheap one. I have non-polarized.
Too much. Go for it. I think my first impression of Ubud, if you like more bougie coffee shops and cafes and restaurants, which are by far more expensive than any other shop we've seen, it's a place for you. But I don't actually see the appeal at the moment. It's nice, but I think Seminyak and even Coots is nice as well, so.
We've come to a market.
Oh, loads of sunnies.
With loads of sunglasses for Ryan, and he's going to try and haggle. And how do you say how much? Rkbackpacking.
The Rkbackpacking.
Best price. Haggle. Haggle.
Oh, it's a beer once in the night time. That'd be stupid, wouldn't it? Hello. Rkbackpacking? Hey.
Pintar. You smart.
What was the one? Was there something like that? No, they look too round,
No,
right?
and they're 2C3.
Right?
They're nice.
How much are they?
250.
250. Ooh.
Discount.
Discount. What is discount?
How much you can do?
See, I'm looking for around the 80 mark. Have you got anything for 80? But too cheap, too low?
150, okay.
150 too much. Too much.
120 this photo.
No, it's just too much.
You best price.
80. That's what I want to pay. It's okay. Don't worry.
100, okay. 20
Nah.
more. Okay, boss. 100.
It's quite a lot, isn't it?
It's okay. IT. This like this old plastic.
Yeah.
This one good for. Okay, 100.
I don't know. I'm gonna have a look around.
90, okay.
I'll have a look around.
Okay, your price.
Oh,
What,
there you
80? Okay.
Good people.
Yeah?
Yep.
Perfect. See you later. See.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
So, it is 6 p.m. We have
6:25. Sorry, I'm being that guy. Ignore me. Right, I'll shut up. Stum.
So it is 6:25 p.m. and
No, 6 now.
right, shut up. We've just done drive back from Ubud. It took us a bit longer actually getting back because the traffic was pretty bad and it rained. So we had to buy some ponchos from Lady in the Street for £1.25 each, but they did keep us dry.
Yeah.
So now it is Saturday the 10th of February, which means it is Tet, Vietnamese New Year. So to celebrate, we have come to What the Pho to eat Vietnamese food.
Shout out to Hannah, Paul and Hoa.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
And this evening's mission is to find a bike for the next 8 days. So we're going to head, well, I actually won't say because it's a surprise. We're heading somewhere exciting. We need to leave, we've sorted out baggage storage, so we're going to leave some bags here because in 8 days time we will be back in Bali. So we just need to find a bike now. The bike we have is naff. The back tyre deflates, it's so uncomfortable.
The back brake doesn't work.
Oh yeah.
I don't think there is any back brake left.
So we need a different bike, but we want to pay similar sort of money. We're paying £4.50 a day.
Yeah. £4.75. Yeah.
So
£4.25. Sorry. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's good money, and we'd like to try and find a similar price, but a better bike.
Yeah.
So we're going to eat, and then that's our mission for this evening.
Cowabunga.
Cowabunga. So we have ordered some chicken spring rolls, and it comes with a peanut dipping sauce. Try and eat the spring roll.
You are. Oh, hackers.
Anything more to say?
It's tasty.
What's in there?
Noodles, chicken and veg.
Nice.
Should have gone for the other spring rolls. The pastry ones though.
And then for mains we have gone for pho. So I have a meatball pho. And what do you have?
I have a beef pho.
Beef pho. What the f? So this is where we had dinner. And it cost us 176,000, which is £8.93 for 2 pho, 2 spring roll and 2 beer. And how was it for you?
Okay.
Just okay.
Just okay.
Are you full?
I'm full.
So that's amazing.
I ate after yours.
Now to find a bike. So we finished dinner and we're now walking down Kuta to try and find a bike.